You woke up, you went to the bedroom, and you discovered Melanie dead.
Yes.
You ran out, you got into the cab, and you drove away.
Yes.
Fast.
Yes.
The blind panic of somebody who's just seen something truly terrible.
Yes.
And then you went back. In your blind panic, you turned the taxi around and you drove back to the place you'd just been so desperate to get away from.
I didn't know what I was doing.
The wiping of blood from cupboard handles, the retrieval of the jacket that you'd left behind, the wiping down of walls, the removal and concealment of the knife which tests have now established was used to kill Melanie. All panic.
I knew how it looked.
You know how it looks to me? It looks like a cold-blooded, calculated attempt to get rid of deeply incriminating evidence.
I'm not cold-blooded.
Right at the very start of this cross-examination, I asked you if you could be relied upon to tell the truth. Do you remember?
Yes.
And you told this court you were an honest person.
Yes.
Do you want to change that answer?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
How long have you been at university? Who are you looking at?
My mum and dad.
Why?
I dropped out of uni.
When?
7 months ago.
I'm sorry?
7 months ago.
Did you tell your mother?
No.
Your father?
No.
So, you lied to them for all that time? I'm asking you a question. I can't hear you.
Yes.
Did you leave the house in the morning pretending that you were going to go to lectures? And did you talk about your day with your parents when you got back in the evening? If you don't answer, I'm very happy to call your mother and father to tell us.
Yes.
Months and months of lying. You're not an honest person, are you? When you were in the back of the police car, you asked a question. Is she dead? Did you say that?
I hoped that maybe I was wrong. And that she was still alive.
And did you bother to call an ambulance?
No.
Why not?
I was scared.
Of what?
That it looked like me who'd done it.
You put your own self-interest ahead of saving her life, didn't you?
That's how it looks.
It is how it looks. What did you do instead? You tried to run away, didn't you?
Yes.
You ran away with the murder weapon in your possession. The knife you claim that earlier on in the night you'd stuck in Melanie Lloyd's hand as part of a game. What did that feel like?
I don't know.
Come on, this is your version of events. What did it feel like? To put a knife in another human being?
It was just a game. It went too far.
How far? Do you remember? How far?
You've been in the witness box for a very long time. You've had your evidence, your past, your character, everything about you tested and tested and tested. What I want to know from you is simple. Did you kill Melanie? Ben?